Hello students, I am Manoj Sir from AP. Today I am going to teach quadratic equation of class 10. First, I will tell today which points we will cover. Please see it. Today I will cover the first point, what is the importance of learning this topic. The second point, standard form of a quadratic equation. Third point, how to check given equations are quadratic or not. And fourth point, concept of solution or root of a quadratic equation. So these 4 points today I will discuss. Now let us start. Please see this picture. What is it? It is a beautiful garden. Rectangular shape, beautiful garden. Now, suppose we know the area of this garden 2700 meter square, and also we know length equal to 3 more than twice of its breadth. How to find the length and breadth of this garden? Don't worry, I am here. I will show you how can you find the length and breadth, and to find it, how we will form the quadratic equation. So, area of this garden given 2700 meter square. Also one relation given, length equal to 3 plus twice of breadth. Let breadth equals to x meter. Therefore length 3 plus 2x meter. Therefore, x into 3 plus 2x equals to 2700. Simplify, 3x plus 2x square equals to 2700. That implies 2x square plus 3x minus 2700 equals to 0. See, we got one quadratic equation. If we solve this quadratic equation, then we can find the value of x, and from there we can find the length and breadth. But how to solve this equation, that part I will discuss later. Now, so first point, what is the importance of learning this topic? Just now I discussed. Now our second point is standard form of a quadratic equation. Standard form of a quadratic equation. See here, I wrote 3 equations. All are quadratic. First one is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, where a not equals to 0. Second one is bx plus ax square plus c equals to 0. Here also a not equals to 0. And third equation is c plus bx plus ax square equals to 0. Here also a not equals to 0. In all cases, a, b, c all are real numbers. But see here, I cross the second and third. That means these are not quadratic. Why not? Because to be in standard form, the powers of the variables should be in descending order. So according to that, here power is 2, power 1, power 0. So it is in descending order. That's why it is in standard form. But second one, power 1, power 2, power 0, not in descending order. That's why crossed. Third one, 0, 1, 2, it is also not in descending order. That's why I crossed this one. So for standard form, the equation, quadratic equation should be in this form. Now, come to one example. Identify from the following which one is in standard form. Think. The first one, power 1, power 2, power 0. Not in standard form, because not in descending order, power also variable. So it is not in standard form. Now B, power 2, power 1, power 0, descending order. So it is in standard. Third one, power 0, power 2, power 1. It is also not in descending order. That's why it is also not in standard form. Is it clear? Now, our third point. Now I discuss the third point. So I completed the second point. Now third point, how to check given equations are quadratic or not. How to check given equations are quadratic or not. Yes. So here, 4 equations I have taken. I'll check one by one which are quadratic and which are not quadratic. Now take the first equation, x minus 3 whole square plus 4 equals to 3x plus 7. Remember, when one equation is given and we have to check it is in quadratic equation, it is quadratic equation or not, first we have to simplify as much as possible. We have to bring in the simplest form. Then we will check it is possible to express in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. If it is possible, then we can say it is a quadratic equation, otherwise not. So for this equation, if we simplify, we are getting x square minus 6x plus 9 plus 4 equals to 3x plus 7. Simplify x square minus 9x plus 6 equals to 0. So it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. That means it is a quadratic equation. Now take the second example. What? X into 2x plus 1 plus 10 equal to x plus 3 into x minus 5 plus x square. Now simplify it. X into 2x plus 1 plus 10 equals to x plus 3 into x minus 5 plus x square. If you simplify 2x square plus x plus 10 and here x square minus 2x minus 15 plus x square. Simplify, we are getting 3x plus 25 equals to 3. So it is not quadratic because it is not in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So it is not quadratic equation. This is not quadratic equation, but this one is quadratic equation. Now, take the third example, third sum, 3x plus 4 upon x equal to 2. If you simplify, 3x square plus 4 equals to 2x. So 3x square minus 2x plus 4 equals to 0. So it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So it is quadratic. Now, the last example, x plus 1 whole cube equals to x cube plus 5x square plus 6. So if you simplify, then we are getting x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 equals to x cube plus 5x square plus 6. That implies 2x square minus 3x and plus 5 equals to 0. So it is also in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Therefore, it is also quadratic equation. The given equation is quadratic equation. Now, one example, and this sum came in 2023 board exam. Which of the following is not a quadratic equation? Be careful, which of the following is not a quadratic equation. To solve it, so first take the first option. Take the first option. 2 into x minus 1 whole square equals to 4x square minus 2x plus 1. If you simplify, 2x square minus 4x plus 2 equals to 4x square minus 2x plus 1. So this implies 2x square plus 2x minus 1 equals to 0. Obviously it is a quadratic equation. So that means the first option is not correct. Now, the second option is 2x minus x square equals to x square plus 5. This is option A, so option A is not correct. Now option B, 2x minus x square equal to x square plus 5. Simplify, we are getting 2x square minus 2x plus 5 equals to 0. So obviously it is also quadratic. That means this option also not correct. Because you have to find out which one is not quadratic. Now take option C, root 2x plus root 3 whole square plus x square equals to 3x square minus 5x. If we simplify it, we are getting 2x square plus 3 plus 2 root 6x plus x squared equals to 3x square minus 5x. Now 2x square plus x square together is 3x square, cancel from both sides. So we are getting 2 root 6 plus 5 whole into x plus 3 equals to 0. So obviously it is not quadratic. So that means this is the right option. Option C is the right option. Option D, no need to check, because here single correct answer. Since already we got the correct option, so no need to proceed to check the option D. Now come to fourth point. Solutions or roots of a quadratic equation. Solution and roots of a quadratic equation. This is the fourth point. So we have completed till now 1, 2, 3. 3 points already completed. Now fourth point, concept of solution or root of a quadratic equation. We will learn the concept of solution or root of a quadratic equation. If alpha is one root or solution of the equation ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, then we will get one relation a alpha square plus b alpha plus c equals to 0. Very simple. We are getting this. Just replace x by alpha, then you will get this relation. Conversely, if we get this type of relation, that is a alpha square plus b alpha plus c equal to 0, then alpha will be one root or solution of the equation ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Is it clear? Now I will discuss one sum. Example 3. Is 2 a solution of the equation? So we have to check 2 is the solution of this equation or not. So very simple rule. Just replace x by 2. Then we are getting 2 squared minus 5 into 2 plus 6 equals to 0. That is 4 minus 10 plus 6 equals to 0. That is 10 minus 10 equals to 0. So 0 equals to 0. That is true. Therefore, 2 is a solution. 2 is a solution of the given equation. Yes? I think this part is clear. Now come to example 4. Is minus 2 a solution of the equation? Again same technique. We replace x by minus 2. So 3 into minus 2 whole square. Minus of minus 2 plus 5 equals to 0. So this implies 12 plus 2 plus 5 equals to 0. That implies 19 equals to 0. Is it true? Obviously not. Not true. Not true. Not true means not a solution. Not true means not a solution. So minus 2 is not a solution or root of the given equation. Solution or root of the given equation. Now, example 5. Suppose we have one relation 3 alpha square minus 5 alpha plus 2 equal to 0. Then write the equation whose one root is alpha. So that means we have to find one equation whose one root is alpha. Since the relation is 3 alpha square minus 5 alpha plus 2 equals to 0, to get the equation, again very simple technique you can apply. Replace alpha by x. Replace alpha by x. That means 3x squared minus 5x plus 2 equals to 0. and this is our required equation. We got the equation whose one root is alpha. I think this part is clear, students? Yes. Now come to example number 6. For what value of k 3 is the solution or root of the equation? For what value of k 3 is a solution or root of the equation? Since 3 is a solution given, so we can replace x by 3 squared plus 3k into 3 plus 5 equals to 0. Simplify 9 plus 9k plus 5 equals to 0. That implies 9k equals to minus 14. So k equals to minus 14 upon 9. So this is the value of k and this is our answer. Clear, students? I think clear it? Now example number 7. Is x equal to 3 a solution of this quadratic equation? Of this equation? I don't know it is quadratic or not. But question is x equal to 3 a solution of this equation or not? If we put again x equal to 3 squared minus 14 equals to 3 plus 20. So 9 minus 14 is root over equals to root over 25. So minus 5 equals to plus 5. Because square root of 25 is 5. So minus 5 equal to 5. That is left hand side equal to right hand side. Not true. Left hand side equal to right hand side. Not true here. Minus 5 equal to 5 is not possible. So x equal to 3 is not a solution. Therefore x equal to 3 is not a solution. Clear? Now come to question number example number 8. This sum came in board exam in this year 2026. If x equals to minus 1 is the root of the equation ax square minus bx plus 3 equal to 0, then out of these 4 options, which one is right we have to say. So again x equal to minus 1 is root. That means a into minus 1 whole square minus b into minus 1 plus 3 equals to 0. This implies a plus b plus 3 equals to 0. So we are getting this relation a plus b plus 3 equal to 0. And which option? It is matching with option D. So that means option D is the right answer of this question. Now example number 9. This sum came in board exam 2020. If 1 is the root of the equation and another equation y square plus y plus b equal to 0, that means 1 is the root of 2 equations. Then we have to find the value of a. So how to solve it? 1 is the root of which equation? A y square plus a y plus 3 equals to 0. So a into 1 square plus a into 1 plus 3 equals to 0. That is a plus 3 equals to 0. So that implies 2a plus 3 equals to 0. that implies a equal to minus 3 by 2. Again, 1 is the root of the second equation, y square plus y plus b equals to 0. So y equals to 1 if we put 1 square plus 1 plus b equals to 0. Yes? So 1 plus 1 plus b equals to 0. That implies b equal to minus 2. Therefore, AB minus 3 by 2 into minus 2, that is 3. So value of AB, we got 3, and our options given A3. So option A is the correct answer of this question. Now, so today I am ending here. In next video, I will bring more interesting sums. Please don't forget to watch my next video, and for any more queries, please mail me through this mail ID manoj@tigps.in. Thank you, students. Goodbye.